In this video we are testing a BSR AccuGlide programmable turntable. So it's got a lot of the push button functions as you see there. On off switch right there. Does come with a remote, but and I will take pictures of the battery compartment is pretty toasted, so without some rewiring I'm sure this would not be functional. There is no cartridge or stylus installed, but the wiring's all intact. Tone arm and everything's intact. So anyways, we'll go ahead and push play and you can see what we get here. Now, because obviously there's no cartridge on there, the tone arm is not properly balanced, but it is quiet. We can change speeds on the platter. Seems to work without issue. And then if we just press stop, and there it is. Now, the jerking motion that we see in the tone arm there, I'm not sure if that's a belt or a gear issue in the drive somewhere. So obviously this turntable does need some TLC, and we'll need a cartridge and stylus to be a working unit. And as I said, the remote without some work is not going to be usable. Has a nice dust cover on it. I haven't cleaned it yet. Looks like it's got some pretty typical scuffing, but no cracks or chips out of it that I can see. And that's about it. So I'll take pictures and let you guys figure it out. Thank you.